Hello friends, in this video I will be showing different tips and tricks to Visual Studio Code, and I will be using Angular JS for that. So first tip I want to tell you is the Code Prettier. Code Prettier is basically a plugin of Visual Studio Code uh, to uh, to basically make the code pretty. So how you can install the uh, plugin with Visual Studio Code is through extensions. Once you have installed the Visual Studio Code, you can just go to extensions and you can just search for uh, Code Prettier. So it will show you different results. As you can see, I have already installed it here. If you go to this section, you can see different examples to make it configurable. And the next thing is I will show you how does it work. So the next thing is we need to go to the code and just you can see this is the code, and you can type h. So it's a TypeScript. So as you can see, we have not formatted this. Once you hit Control S, it is going to format this code. It is going to do the same thing with CSS, HTML, and all different types of code files. So yeah, that's the first thing I want to tell you about Visual Studio Code. The second thing is how you can access your code via terminal. So let's suppose if you want to add it, you have a project here in this place. I'll show you in a second. So let's suppose you have a project here and you want to open the Visual Studio Code from this project. So what you need to do is you just need to go to CMD and then just type code dot. The moment you hit code dot, it will open the project in this place. So this is the Angular place where you can edit uh, um, all your code files with the Visual Studio Code. The third thing I want to tell you is the terminal. So there are two ways of using terminal. One is to use the terminal in CMD, CMD play via CMD. So you can write all your commands here. So for different different UI libraries like Angular, Next.js, or React.js, we need a terminal to basically compile and execute the project. So what you need to do here is there is already a built-in solution in VS Code via terminal. So just need to hit new, and as you can see, this is pointing to the place where the code is. So let's suppose if you want to run this project of Angular, you would do like ng serve double dash open. Basically, it will compile and it will open the project in your selected browser, which is Chrome. So I have got some issues here which I need to fix. I was trying to do something. Just bear with me. So you just need to hit save again and it will automatically start compiling and it will automatically open the project in your browser with a compiled code. So in Angular, so as you can see, it is compiled successfully. And if we go back to the browser, and you can see here is the still getting some errors. I think it is because I know why it is happening. Anyways, never mind. But you can see we can compile the project and open it here. So this is the second thing I want to show you with Visual Studio Code. The third most common thing which we need is the Git management, your source code management. You can manage your source code via source control option, which is there in the VS Code. And if you have want to commit, right now I'm not connected to any repository, Git repository. If you want to, if you are, let's suppose you are pulling the code from Git, you can basically just you will have the control here to basically commit, uncommit, and stage or push your code via VS Code. So these are the top 3 features which I want to show you with Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.